Scenarios Simplified Interface. You will note there are statistics on the main screen. These come from your current holdings and your primary scenario. The scenario with the yellow star is primary. Edit or create a new scenario. Enter the name and an optional description. Press Save. Note, when creating a scenario in the simplified interface, DRIP is enabled. You now have a progressive interface that focuses on different configuration areas. For each investor, enter the monthly deposit to be distributed among participating accounts. You can set to increase by inflation yearly. If you invest in foreign funds, set a conversion rate that will be used for the entire scenario timeline. Direct the projection engine on how to withdraw during retirement. You may also alter withdrawal priority and enable the classic 4% rule. Be careful with altering the RRIF rule, as you may not remain in compliance with the CRA. Adjust calculation for goals and loans in this section. Be sure to save. Press Run Projection. Adjust and iterate. Click the Modify Run options to change choices. The data grid displays all the scenario result detail. Use the selectors across the top to choose what data to show. The life stage jump links quickly scrolls the grid to the start of that life stage's data. You may also drag the scroll handles on the right and bottom of the grid. The interactive charting tool allows you to slice the data in a visual way. Choose the options that suit your review. RetirePlan.ca